In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to work with clients on Freshbooks. This tutorial will guide you through the process of adding a client to your account, engaging with them through invoices, and collaborating on projects effectively. So, let's dive right in and simplify your client management process on Freshbooks. To start, we're going to focus on adding a new client to your Freshbooks account. Begin by locating and clicking on the New Client button, which will open up a form where you can enter the necessary details. You'll need to input the client's business name, the contact person, and their email address. Make sure that the email address is correct because it will be the main channel for all future communication with your client. If you have specific preferences for currency, late fees, or even automatic payment reminders, you can set these up now, though it's entirely optional. With all information accurately filled out, go ahead and click Save to store the client's details in your Freshbooks account. Now that we've added a client, it's time to engage with them by sending work and invoices. To create an invoice, head over to the Invoices tab and click on Create New Invoice. From here, you can select the client you just added from a drop-down menu, ensuring the invoice is appropriately attributed. When constructing your invoice, be sure to include line items that detail your services or products. This should comprise detailed descriptions, rates, and quantities to avoid any confusion. Once your invoice is ready, click Send to dispatch it directly to your client. This not only keeps your billing organized, but also maintains a professional approach to your financial interactions. Our final stop is managing ongoing projects. For this, navigate to the Projects section in Freshbooks. Here, you can create a new project and assign it directly to your client. Collaboration is made smoother by inviting them to join the project on Freshbooks, enabling you to share files, links, and comments all in one place. This kind of streamlined communication ensures efficient management of the project and helps keep both you and your client on the same page throughout its duration. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to working effectively with your clients on Freshbooks. By adding clients, sending invoices, and managing projects all within the platform, you create a seamless workflow that saves time and enhances client satisfaction. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips on optimizing your business operations. See you in the next video.